When I press the pedal down, it goes quite a ways and I don't get any braking action. What does that mean? Hey guys, Forrest from Thrust Institute of Maintenance. Today we're out here with a Cessna 182. He has air in the lines. Today we're going to demonstrate how to bleed aircraft brakes. We have two master cylinders, one on the left-hand pilot's pedal, one on the right-hand pilot's pedal. The right-hand side is the side that is currently experiencing problems. When I press the pedal down, it goes quite a ways and I don't get any braking action. What does that mean? I got air in the system. So we're out here with the brake bleeder and we are going to go ahead and remove the air from the system. Two ways to do it. Number one is I can push fluid from the top down to the brake cylinders. However, on an aircraft, it works better to be able to take that fluid, send it from the caliper back to the master cylinder. So there are two parts to this. I need somebody to watch on the right-hand pedal for fluid coming out of the top. The second thing is a couple of us are going to be by the right brake there, sending pressurized brake fluid up through the bleeder and to the master cylinder. This is the brake bleeder. It is a valve that we can open up to allow the passage of fluid from the caliper going up to the brake master cylinder. To open it, you take the wrench and you turn it to the side like this. And we do have fluid dripping through there, which is a good sign. It means the air is not here. Now, the bleeder is a valve that we manually control. So what is going to end up happening here is we have a pressurized tank with fluid, and when I squirt it, it sends fluid through the line. Now, we do got to have a fair bit of pressure built up in order for this to work effectively. The last little bit of this line is clear, so I can see if I've accidentally sent air into the system. Don't see any air bubbles sitting there right now, so what I'll do is manually open the bleeder. And the end of this plastic I'm going to shoot over the end of the bleeder. Now, it's connected to the bleeder here, and I'm going to allow fluid to flow by pulling the trigger. Let me know if you see fluid coming out there. And we're going to send a certain quantity of fluid through there. And what I will do is close the bleeder off. Now what I'd like is for somebody to pump the right-hand side brake, so push it in a couple times. Does that feel firm? Pretty firm? That, gentlemen, is perfect. As always, guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you like what you see in here. We were able to go ahead and bleed the brakes out, get all the air out, and now when the pilot touches the brakes, they are firm. Feels just like a car with brand new brakes in it.